Hi traders, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to deposit or withdraw funds from your Velocity Trader account using Trade Desk. Firstly, open a browser and then navigate to suretrading.tradedesk.co. As always, you can log in by clicking login in the middle of the screen or at the top right of your screen. Now, if you've saved your password, it should go in automatically. If not, you would just have to put in your username and password as well as the one-time PIN that gets sent to you. So now once you're logged in, you'll see both your accounts over here, your live account and your demo account. And then on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see these options: deposit and withdraw. Bear in mind that if you haven't set up your live account completely, there will only be the deposit option, but if your live account is set up, you'll have a deposit and withdraw option. So let's go through the depositing process first. So you click on deposit, and then you select which account you want to deposit into. There should only be one live account listed here and potentially a demo account, but you obviously can't deposit into a demo account. So select the account, then choose whether you want to do a bank transfer or a credit or debit card. Bank transfer works as follows. Basically, you'd have to go onto your internet banking and do a bank transfer into the following account. The account details are listed here, and then it will say what your payment reference needs to be, and then you need to send a proof of payment to this email address listed below, as it's very important for them to get a proof of payment to allocate the funds to your account as quickly as possible. Then there's also the credit or debit card option. Then you just put the amount you want to deposit in here, click on deposit, and it will take you through a payment process pretty much like you would do for any online shopping. Bear in mind there's a 2.8% deposit fee on this, so you just need to factor that into your calculations. Also, very importantly, when you make a deposit, make sure that you are making a deposit from an account that bears the same name as the name that you signed up with initially. If you make a deposit from an account with a different name, it'll be flagged, as there are a lot of regulations when it comes to money laundering, etc. So always use an account that bears the same name as your Velocity Trader account. Okay, let's move on to withdrawing. So also left hand side of your screen, there's a withdraw button. So you click on that. Once again, you get to select your account. Only one option here if you only have one account. And then it will list your bank account. This is the bank account that you gave to Velocity Trade when you initially signed up. And then it will tell you available balance, the withdrawal fee. And then you can either click on this withdraw all button, or you can type in the amount that you want to withdraw, and then you just click withdraw. Obviously, it won't be available in your account immediately, but it will be available in the normal time frame that it takes for a electronic transfer to be made. As always, please contact us if you have any issues. Hope this video helped. Cheers.